So close. There's children. There's violence. Whoever it is. We almost had a grass fire. Mom's done that before. That was an accident, I think. Yes, it was. Oh, that was so pretty. That one was pretty. That's so cute. Same thing. Hey, that one looks like a Ferris wheel. That one looks like a circle thing. Two, come on. Oh, wow. I think I'm really close. Oh. It was just a pop. It won't hit you. That's stuff. Oh, wow. Oh. These are cool. This is a good way to get pictures. Oh, wow. Oh. I am recording. Dad, I'm making a video. Oh, wow. This is going on YouTube.
Are you near the door if I open this?
No, we're good.
It's okay if you open it. You okay? You won't get hurt?
No, we're fine. Grandma, we're fine.
Sure.
Yes! We're fine. This is going on YouTube. Oh, that was a cool one. These people are going to make a fire in the grass. It smells like smoke. This is a grand finale. Right here. This is a big grand finale. Oh my gosh, he did a firework into the lake. That's what this idiot's been doing. No, we just made it and it went actually into the water. It went in the grass earlier. There it went again. I want to watch